In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the future of content creation. Think of the year 2025, a few years out. How can you best position yourself and learn what you need to learn so that you can have the advantage when we get there? Because there is no doubt, at least in my mind, that content creation is the future of business. I've been able to build a multiple six-figure business by helping people create persuasive video at scale. In fact, I just released a new automation course that helps people scale out their content creation. The link is in the description, and it really got me thinking about content creation and how we're all trying to create content across multiple platforms, trying to do the Gary Vee or Alex Hormozi content strategy. And so if this trend continues into the future, we're going to have a proliferation of content online, and a lot of people aren't even online creating content yet. So what is it going to look like over the next few years when there's just so much content and noise on the internet? And then that got me thinking about why the platform TikTok has been so successful in the marketplace in a time like right now. And it ultimately comes down to how the TikTok algorithm operates, where it shows the people on the platform what they like to see. It shows them the good content. It has a lot less to do with how many followers you have. I've seen a lot of people with a lot of followers and they aren't getting a lot of engagement on their videos. And I've seen a lot of people that just get on the platform and completely explode. The algorithm is figuring out what is the good content and it's giving it to the people that want to see it. When I'm on LinkedIn or if I'm on YouTube, it's typically showing me the content from the biggest creators on those platforms. And so as the content creation gold rush continues, what's going to be the currency in the next few years is really good content. And even though I'm an engineer and I love to build out the systems and the efficiencies to scale out content creation and make it that accessible to as many people as possible, at the same time, I'm honing in on my skills to create persuasive, good content that makes people say, wow, I'm glad I saw that. Because that is the kind of content that people will take and they will share and they will link it into their communities, their Facebook groups, their Slack groups. And that is ultimately how you're going to build a scalable revenue engine once the marketplace gets completely saturated with content. With your content, you want to make sure people walk away feeling like they got a secret weapon that they can take from your content and deploy into their business so that they feel like they have a competitive advantage in the marketplace. Every time you create content, you want to make sure they walk away saying, wow, after reading or viewing this content, I understand that taking this action or not taking this action will make my life better in this specific way. And now I feel better in this specific way. The specificity is very important. It's what really pierces through all the noise. Everyone has all the generic business advice. You need to say something that's literally going to resonate with them. What is the stuff that they were just worried about last night or what they were talking about with their business colleagues in the networking event? You really have to articulate what do they want, why should they care, and make them say, wow, after they saw your content. So in other words, you have to have that hook, you have to have that story, and you have to have that offer that is compelling enough that will make somebody take action when they see your content. But I think it's vitally important if you want to be on top when we hit 2025 and everybody else comes on the marketplace creating content, creating noise. You have to be the signal in that noise. So with that, I hope you found this video valuable. Make sure to check out the program that I linked in the description below. Otherwise, I will see you on the next video. I talk about how to build a scalable content team, a lean and mean team that will help you build out your content marketing program. Check out the video. I'll see you there.